What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for joining me. I got a question for you. Did you buy the dip today? Because everything was dipping, and that's what this video is all about. While you're here, if you can do me a favor, if you haven't done it already, hit the subscribe button, guys. I would love to see you back for more of my videos. And if you can, hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm, because it would really help me out, and it would put a smile on my face. And making people happy is always a good thing, right? It's basically my gift to you to make me happy by hitting my like button. But with that being said, guys, and all kidding aside, let's go ahead and get into this. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what I did today, and I'm kind of curious to hear about what you did too. So if you guys bought the dip, tell me what you bought in the comments below. All right, guys, so before we begin, just remember I'm not a financial advisor, and this is in no way financial advice. I used today to average down in my positions, and I'm hoping that you guys did too. If you didn't, that's cool too. Maybe you got into some new positions because you saw the prices change and they just became these prices that you just couldn't say no to, right? Maybe you were waiting to get into a position and it just dropped to the point where you're like, I'm going to get in here because I know this thing's going to rebound and I'm going to make a lot of money. And that's cool. And I kind of divvied up my positions today amongst cryptocurrency and REITs and growth stocks and just averaging down in some plays I have. I was all over the place. But let's talk about what I invested in today. So the first thing I did is I invested in my REITs that I love, AGNC, and that is because Jerome Powell said that they're going to continue helping the mortgage-backed securities. And honestly, AGNC it's been pretty solid. Like, let's take a look at it. So it opened at 16.55, so I didn't really dip too much. But the reason I love this REIT is because while everything else has been dropping, it's just been steady this whole time. And the other thing is it pays me 12 cents per share, and I have about, I'm sitting at about 150 shares of this so far, so I'm doing pretty good. I can pretty much buy a new share of it every month if I just stopped investing in it altogether, which is nice because it builds out your position more. But I often just buy an extra one here or there just to make the position larger. I didn't invest too much money or anything, but I did buy like another 10 shares or so. It wasn't nothing crazy, just to kind of fill out the position a little more. There was a little bit of a drop, so I wanted to take advantage of that. I do see AGNC probably getting above 20, and they were talking about raising the dividend payment to 15 cents per share, which is nice, especially when you have a lot. So I'm just waiting for that. I thought I would take that opportunity today, though. So yeah, invested in the REITs. And moving forward in cryptocurrency, I was all in on Bitcoin, dumped hundreds of dollars into Bitcoin, hundreds of dollars into Ethereum. So yeah, so I spread out some money amongst Ethereum and Bitcoin just to kind of fill out my positions. I like to have cryptocurrency. What can I say? So I did that. And man, I bought some more Tesla. Hit the like button if you bought the Tesla dip, guys. The Tesla dip was pretty huge today. Let's take a look. We're at 698. Oh, we're up in after hours to 716. I like this. This is what I like to see. So yeah, I averaged down in Tesla a little bit more, bought some more on the dip. And the one thing that I'm kind of a little butthurt about is I woke up late and I saw the massive dip to where it dipped to like almost to like 500 something, but it dipped down to like low 600s. And I was so mad at myself. I was like, no, the one day you slept in and you didn't wake up on time and this happens, right? And yeah, and that's my own fault, and that's what happens, the early bird gets the worm, and I have no one else to blame but myself. I'm just gonna say it. So yeah, guys, I bought some Tesla. I love Tesla. It's one of my bull stocks that I just invest in quite frequently, and I have a lot of shares. But I do love Tesla. It's my jam. So I did that. Oh man, there's so many stocks that I put money into today. TMDI, Titan Medical, IDEX, Sun. You know what? I almost got back more Sundial. I have a lot of Sundial, so I decided against it. Zom, I left alone. Windtree, I put more into Windtree. So yeah, man, I basically spent hundreds of dollars every single stock that I felt I wanted to expand my position in. So it's pretty wild today, guys. And, I know most people are freaking out like, oh, my positions, they're falling apart. I'm going to sell. don't, man, because honestly, look into the next few years, right? Like, I don't invest for short-term gain. If I make a good profit on something like a quick play, then yeah, that's cool. But at the end of the day, I'm thinking about what's going to happen in 10 years. So an example of that would be like Tesla. When I buy Tesla, do you guys think I'm thinking about Tesla going to $1,000? Really, like from 698? Like if I bought Tesla right now at 698.84, do you guys think I'm like, oh, I can't wait for it to go to $1,000 so I can sell it? Heck no, because this thing, man, Tesla's gonna 10x one day. Like it is gonna be up there. And yeah, if you buy it right now, and if I told you in 10 years Tesla was gonna 10x, you would be like, okay, well, I'll just hold on to it. And you wouldn't worry about these little fluctuations of up and down, up and down, up and down, because your end goal is 10 years from now where it's gonna be through the roof. And you're gonna look back and laugh at all the panicking that was going on, right? I mean, look at all these candlesticks on Tesla. You know, this is panic. Oh, I'm scared. Panic, 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 panic. And then, boom, these are the people laughing at these people because they have paper hands. Leaving a company like Tesla, of all companies, you're going to leave Tesla? Are you kidding me? It's not like you're leaving NEO. It's not like you're leaving, CCIV, or, sorry, I don't even want to call it CCIV. It's not like you're leaving Lucid Motors. You're leaving Tesla. I don't know what goes through people's minds, guys. I really don't. But I will say this, is that today was a gift. And that's how you have to look at these kind of days, right? And I hope there's a gift tomorrow because I'm going to be putting more money in. And we'll see what happens. But if you get a chance, make sure you guys fill out your positions, And another strategy I employed today, I trickled in. So, like, for instance, like Tesla, let's say it was at 713, right? It was like right here. I would put a little bit in here, and then it dropped, and I put a little in, and it dropped, and I put a little in. I don't just throw it all in because that's how you end up holding the bag, right? So guys, if tomorrow comes and there's another dip and you want to buy the dip, trickle it in, man. Put 3 buy orders, right? A limit buy orders on the stock of your choice, right? Put one for like here, one for right here, and one for down here. And then that way you can kind of follow the curve down and you're just getting more and more of it at a better price, right? And that's the strategy you have to use on these days. So guys, tell me what you did. Tell me what stocks you bought on the dip, or if you didn't buy on the dip at all and you're regretting it now, let me know because I'm curious. I want to see what people are out there buying, especially my subscribers and anybody who's really just viewing my videos. I'm just really curious what our mindsets are and if anything matches up, right? So that's the video, guys. Thanks for joining me again. Like I always say, it's always a pleasure, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.